Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a remedy that is going to get rid of all the dark patches on your skin, all the dark areas on your skin, inner thighs, the elbow, the knee, armpits, any area on your skin that has dark patches. This remedy is going to help lighten up that area, soften it up, and keep it young looking and beautiful. So to prepare this remedy, we'll be needing baking soda, olive oil, and salt, natural salt, as in cooking salt. If this is your first time watching this channel, click on the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And if you find this video helpful and useful, share with your friends and loved ones and give it a huge thumbs up. So let's get started. The first ingredient we'll be needing for this remedy is baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda contains antioxidant properties. Baking soda also is rich in antiviral and antifungal properties. Baking soda contains exfoliating properties that will exfoliate your skin. It's going to help treat any kind of skin infection or skin irritation. It's going to fight free radicals that produce wrinkles and fine lines. Baking soda is going to help cleanse your clogged skin pores around this area. It's going to help get rid of all the toxins and dirt in your skin pores, and it's going to help lighten the area up because it is very rich in toning properties. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is olive oil. Olive oil contains antioxidant properties, is rich in antibacterial properties, and is also very rich in vitamins, vitamin A, D, E, and K. It also has high amounts of moisturizing properties that is going to help keep your skin moisturized, and is also going to help slow down the aging process of your skin because of its anti-aging properties. Olive oil is going to help rejuvenate your skin, and is also going to help lighten the dark patches on your skin, whichever area it may be, your inner thighs, your elbow, your knees, your knuckles. If you have dark knuckles, this remedy is going to help lighten it up. Olive oil is going to deep cleanse your pores and help tone these areas that have the dark patches. The next ingredient you'll be needing for this remedy is salt. Salt is very rich in vitamins and minerals. Salt also contains nourishing and rejuvenating properties. Salt is going to help exfoliate the area and is going to help rejuvenate your skin, revitalize your skin, and is going to help keep that area looking fresh, young, and supple. To my bowl, I'll add a tablespoon of salt, then I'll add also a tablespoon of baking soda, then lastly I'll add a tablespoon of the olive oil. We'll mix all these ingredients together. So here's a remedy to get rid of dark patches and dark spots on the skin. So this is what it looks like when you're done mixing everything together. To apply this remedy, just take a little quantity of it and apply it on the areas you have the dark patches. Then you massage for a minute or two. After massaging it, you allow it to sit on you for 15 minutes. Then you go ahead and wash it off with lukewarm water. Washing it off with lukewarm water is going to help open up your skin pores so that the olive oil can penetrate your pores and cleanse your pores. So you have to use a lot of lukewarm water to wash any area you have dark patches, be it your elbow, your knees, your inner thighs, your armpits. Just wash it off with lukewarm water. After washing it off with lukewarm water, you don't have to apply any moisturizer because the olive oil is going to sink into your pores and is going to keep your pores hydrated and conditioned and moisturized. So you don't need to apply any other moisturizer because the olive oil is going to deeply infuse your pores, giving you that natural radiance and beautiful glow. And you repeat this remedy twice in a week for 2 to 3 weeks, and at the end of your second trial you will notice a lighter skin tones in the areas you had the dark patches, and you will notice that that area has become refreshed and even younger. So guys, this is it. I tried it and it worked for me, so I decided to share it with you guys. So do try this and let me know your result in the comment section below, and share this video with your friends and loved ones because I know it was helpful and useful to you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you in my next video.